Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a Women's Special Week, and today we're going to talk about how to find your mojo. Yeah, so repeatedly I've come across many instances in my life and also the people I know in their lives where playing all these roles as a mother, daughter, grandmother, girlfriend, wife, we sort of sometimes, get so much into that responsibility and duty that we stop loving ourselves. And we don't even realize when that's happened, right? It's like a cage you kind of lock yourself in the comfort of it, you start staying. And more often than not, what happens is some people just stay in that cage for the rest of their lives. So some people are just in the girlfriend mode or the wife mode or the mother mode, not realizing that there's a reservoir of potential within us which can be tapped. And I take this as an anchor approach. So assume an anchor has three spikes to it, right? So that one spike which is going on the left, let's say it's your duties, which are towards your office, your family, non-negotiable areas of your life, right? Your right spike is your responsibilities. Responsibilities are not given, they are taken. We take responsibilities on ourselves. We are responsible for everything around us, right? So those are responsibilities which go outside our immediate circle. And that spike which is in the center is basically a spike of your life purpose. What happens is we get caught up in this web of duties and responsibilities so much as women because we are so giving and so we are always taking care of everybody around us, that entire focus of self love towards having a purpose, having a life purpose, just kind of gets dissolved somewhere. And I think women empowerment is about rediscovering that life purpose, acknowledging your mojo and rebuilding it again and again, infusing it with enthusiasm and saying that while I'm, responsible for my duties, for my responsibilities, well, I do have this anchor in life, my life purpose, how I see myself moving ahead, which I have to focus on. And the beauty of it is that it will only happen if you know the why of your life. The whole life we keep focusing on the what, how, when, but we never focus on the why, because the why will connect you back to yourself. So I hope I have left something for you to chew on till we meet again. The life purpose is the critical spike in your life anchor. While you play the roles and duties, your life purpose is the one which is going to take you ahead, right? So I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share. Let me know if you're liking what you're watching. Any feedback, any comments are welcome. I'll see you soon. Bye.